So yeah, not too much more to show you. Basically, there's a couple of things. If there are some layers, you can use display layers in Maya. They're quite useful. So they're actually under the channel control. So if we click over here, let me bring this up. You'll see down here there's this thing called display layers here. I think I've got one in my scene already, so I'm not quite sure what that's being used for. But let's say we wanted to add the flying saucer to it. I could select the flying saucer, and then I could either go to create layer from selected, like that, or I could right click here and go add selected objects if you want to add it to an already existing layer. And then you can just turn on the visibility, turn on and off the visibility by clicking on the V symbol. If you want to rename the layer, just double click it, and then you can type in a name here, UFO layer, click on save. So another thing to show you, we're not actually going to use this, I don't think, in this unit, but you may well be wondering, if I want to select the vertices for an object or the edges, how do I do that? And the way that most people do it in Maya is you actually hold down the right mouse button over an object. So if I hold down the right mouse button, I get this menu, and you keep it held down, and you then go over to either vertex, face, or edge. So it's a little bit different to other packages, but if I go over to vertex and I let go, I can now select any of the vertices I want, and then I can move those around and do whatever I want. And then once you're done, you just have to remember to, again, hold down the right mouse button, keep it held down, and you need to go back to object mode to be able to select the objects again. Like I say, I don't think we'll be actually doing that much in this unit, but I just thought you probably maybe want to know how you would do it, and also you might accidentally hold down the right mouse button and just wonder what that is. So there you go. So I think that's pretty much everything. The final thing is just to say that there are different menu sets. So up here, by default, you'll probably be in modeling menu set, but we're going to be probably using the rigging and the animation menu sets, obviously in this unit. So that's how you will access those. Notice that when I do that, it doesn't change the first 5, 6, 7 menus stay the same. The ones up until Windows will stay the same, but all the rest after that will then change. So yeah, just be aware that's how you will get to the rigging and the animation menus when you need to.